Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to undo reposts on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok app on your phone. Once you get into your TikTok account, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now from your profile, tap on the three lines from the top right corner. It will show you the drop-down menu from where you need to tap on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down in Settings and go into Activity Center option. Now from here, tap on the Watch History option. You can see all of your watched videos here. Then tap on any of the following videos and hit the share icon. After that, it will show you the drop-down menu from where you need to choose the repost option. Once you repost a video again, tap on the share icon and then from its menu. Choose to remove the post, then your video will be removed from the reposted videos. By following these steps, you can undo the reposted video. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.